Republic Day speech for student. Great morning to my regarded principal madam, my respected sir, madam and my everything associates. I would like to say thank you to give me such a incredible chance to talk something on our Republic Day. My name is Sana. I read in class 5th. Today, we as a whole are here to celebrate Republic Day of our country. This is an incredible and favorable event for every one of us. We have to welcome each other for the Republic Day and we have to praise some God to enhance our country. We observe Republic Day in India consistently on 26th of January as the Constitution of India come into constraint at this day. We are consistently prizing the Republic Day of India since 1950 as on 26th of January in 1950 India Constitution came into constraint. India is a fair and democratic nation where open is approved to choose its pioneers to lead the nation. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president of India. Since we got autonomy from the British run in 1947, our nation has built up a tone and considered as part of the effective nation. Together with a few improvements, a few disadvantages have likewise emerged such disparity, destitution, unemployment, development, absence of education, and so on. We have to promise today to solve such issue in the general public to make our nation a best nation of the world. Thank you.